Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington, original shark from the hit TV show Shark Tank. Many people feel as if they don't have control over the direction of their financial lives. They're working a full-time job and are not making as much as they want or need, or they may need supplemental income so their lives are not stuck in the same spot year after year. Or maybe you're already financially comfortable and you not only want to protect your assets, but watch them grow. Well, Lane Mendelsohn's company has developed a way to transform the lives of people who feel like this by using an artificial intelligence investment software that could do all the heavy lifting without all the investment know-how. Now, here with me today is Lane Mendelsohn. He's actually the second generation developer and owner of VantagePoint software. Lane, thanks for being here.
Thanks a lot, Kevin.
Hey, so now, you know, as a shark, I get involved in investments and putting money into companies and stocks and bonds and all this. And I've seen a lot of different investment softwares, right? But you've done something and your family has created something that goes way beyond the normal investment software. It's actually artificial intelligence supported, correct?
That's correct.
So tell me why that's so powerful.
Well, the reason that it's so powerful is because artificial intelligence can solve problems that humans can't solve. So,
okay.
Back in the late 1980s, my father was very heavily involved in commodities and stock trading. The problem was he realized that the markets were becoming very global. Not only what happened here in the U.S., but what happened in other countries could affect stocks here in the U.S.
I got you.
So we started looking at all the different markets all across the world and realized there are thousands and thousands of pieces of data. It's impossible for a human being to analyze that data, make sense of it, and then use that information to make intelligent trading and investment decisions.
I got you.
So that's what led him to artificial intelligence.
So, for example, I know by the time we wake up here, the European market's already been open, so there's some things happening. So let's talk about an example of a stock like Apple, for example.
Okay.
Tell me how artificial intelligence can affect a stock like Apple.
Well, not to get too deep into AI, because that's the beautiful thing about our software is you don't have to be an artificial intelligence expert to benefit from it. But what the software is doing is it's looking at all the data that relates to Apple, but it's not just looking at Apple data. And that's what most traders and investors, they're doing that today. That's their problem. They've got to take the blinders off. They've got to look more globally, and they've got to look at other tech stocks, even stocks outside of the tech sector, stocks outside of the US, commodity prices, interest rates, energy prices, currencies. These all affect and drive the price of Apple. So if you're not looking at that, you will make a trading decision for Apple. It just probably won't be the best decision at the best time.
Gotcha. So now, at the end of the day, a lot of people are not achieving their goals with their financial investments, right? Their brokers, you know, maybe having their own reasons why they recommend things. Maybe they're getting higher commissions on stuff or whatever, right? So this software is something that's, you know, for any individual investor. You don't have to be a brokerage company to get this software, correct?
No, any individual investor who's got some common sense and has the desire to take the money that they've worked hard for and preserve it, protect it, and then make it grow can easily benefit from our software, because we've spent a lot of time, effort, and money. In the last 10 years, we've spent over $10 million in research and development, developing the technology, and making it so that anyone can utilize it without having to get a PhD in math.
And you have tens of thousands of people utilizing this all around the world, right?
Oh yeah, we have customers in over 140 countries around the world, over 25,000 customers that have come on board to benefit from this technology. And it's because of its ease of use, but also its accuracy and consistency. We have verifiable documented evidence from independent third parties that have confirmed that the accuracy is up to 86%. And you know, in the financial markets, there's no such thing as 100%. But if you have 86% accuracy, you've definitely got the odds stacked in your favor.
I love it. And the Consumer Electronics Show was just in Las Vegas. One of the big buzzes there was artificial intelligence, right? But you guys have been in this for 30 years now, right?
Yeah, my father started, he actually got introduced to artificial intelligence at Carnegie Mellon, where he was a graduate student back in the 1960s.
Right.
When he got involved in the financial markets and realized the globalization was there, he said, you know, I got to utilize artificial intelligence to solve the problem, analyze the data, which will help me and my customers all become more profitable, and that's what we've been doing.
So Lane, I was recently reading Inc. magazine, and I saw that you're now an Inc. 500 company now. What has that afforded your company to be able to do out in the market?
Well, it's allowed us to obviously pour a lot more money into the research and development, which helps the software to become more accurate so that our customers can be even more profitable. But beyond that, it's allowed us to do more in the community. My father has a scholarship program that he's funded for students who graduated from the high school he graduated from, mainly underprivileged students.
Oh, wow.
But we've also partnered with Shriners Children's Hospital, which is something that's very near and dear to my family's heart. And we've been able to throw some nice parties for the kids at Shriners. We've had some of the patients come to the office and hang out. And we've just been able to really make a difference here in the local community and throughout the Shriners network.
Amazing. Any last quick question, any plans for the future?
We're going to continue to refine, develop, and make this product so that everybody in the world who wants to have financial freedom can easily benefit from it.
Where can people find out about your software? Give us a place to go.
Sure. Go to VantagePointSoftware.com where you can request a free demonstration, and we'll personalize it for you and show you exactly how you can implement it immediately.
VantagePointSoftware.com. Lane, this is amazing. Go to the most advanced system to help you make better investments. It's artificial intelligence, and great to have you today.
Thanks, Kevin.
All right. Thanks for being with us.